Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today in our preventive maintenance series, we're going to discuss 4 roof preventive maintenance guidelines. First, properly functioning eave vents and ridge vents can help extend the life of roof by reducing the buildup of attic heat. Second, walking on roofs should be avoided to limit wear and tear, the only exception being repairs or inspections. Third, trees should be trimmed back to prevent rubbing against the roof and to prevent debris from building up on the roof. Fourth, roofs, valleys, gutters, and downspouts should be kept free of leaves, twigs, and other debris that could prevent proper drainage or cause water backup.